Tonight, a case out of Idaho that has drawn national attention. A 23-year-old mother is facing 2 counts of first-degree murder in the deaths of her own twin toddlers, children she spent more than a year publicly claiming had died from routine vaccinations. Andrea Shaw of Payette, a small town about 60 miles from Boise, was indicted by a grand jury in late June. According to court records, prosecutors allege she suffocated her 18-month-old twins, Dallas and Tyson, inside the family home in May of last year. Authorities say they responded to a 911 call from a relative and found both children dead in a shared bed. Police treated the case as a homicide from the beginning, calling it highly unusual for 2 toddlers to be found deceased at the same time. In the days after the children died, Shaw and her husband appeared on a podcast produced by an anti-vaccine organization, where they attributed the deaths to shots the twins had recently received. That account spread widely online. It was used in fundraising efforts and cited in a federal lawsuit against a national pediatric association. More than a year later, a grand jury reached a very different conclusion. The indictment alleges Shaw acted willfully, deliberately, and with premeditation. 4 witnesses testified before that panel, including 3 police officers and a pediatrician. Shaw has pleaded not guilty. She is being held on a $2 million bond and could face life in prison or the death penalty if convicted. Her attorney maintains her innocence and continues to argue the deaths were caused by a vaccine reaction. He has called the murder charges brutal. Her arrest came just 5 days after she gave birth to another child. Shaw is scheduled to return to court later this month.